Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Christian from Christian's Crafty Adventures. I wanted to do a DIY home decor. We're doing like a farmhouse vibe in our house, so I wanted to do this. I got this from Joann's, and it's a product by Jelly Bean Soup, and the stencil is also by Jelly Bean Soup. I got it at 50% off less than a year ago. And I figured now is the best time to do a DIY. So I was thinking using this apple barrel acrylic paint, and it's called Antique Parchment. It's an acrylic paint Antique Parchment. I think I got this from Walmart, like an off-white-ish brand. So we'll see what happens. Keep your fingers crossed. I hope it works. So guys, for the materials that we're gonna need some stencils. I got this from Joann's. I got it at 50% off. It's from Jelly Bean Soup, and they have a lot of stencils that you can choose from. We're gonna be doing Together is my favorite place to be, but they have so many more that are cute. I'm not sure if this is reusable, so we'll figure it out as soon as we get there. And then you need like a wood paneling. You can also get this from Jelly Bean Soup. They have different sizes, different colors, but that's what we're going to be using. Stencil, some wood, and some acrylic paint. And also important is we're going to be using these spouncers. They're called spouncers, but pretty much it's good for stenciling. I don't think they recommend a brush for this. Anyway, so let's get started. Alright guys, now we're done. It looks really good. I like it. It looks so farmhouse vibe. Together is my favorite place to be. I'm going to probably put this in the living room. But overall, I think it's a very quick, easy project that you can do with your girlfriends, like over wine, like, you know, a couple hours that you have hanging out together. Just get some of these. It's going to be a great girlfriend activity. Or if you want to do like a bonding session with somebody, it's something fun to do together. So I hope you like that project. Please like and subscribe down there. Stay crafty. Bye.